I am so excited. We are here at the Martin County School District Spring Job Fair, and we have over 200 people registered today. We have a variety of jobs available, from transportation to our school food service department to extended day. We have a lot of openings in special education, and even in IT we need programmers, IT specialists. We also have lots of teaching positions, especially in the special ed area. At a job fair, the expectations is we've made it super easy. We use a great platform, so you just check right in super fast. There's no backup when you come in. We ask you to bring lots of resumes so you can share them around. And if you don't have a resume, we're even willing to help you.
My fiance and I had been looking to move to the area, and we've been all over the school websites and everything, and it was right on the page that there's a job fair. So we were like, perfect timing. You know, it really worked out for us. It was nice. It's the first interview that I did today. So I would say it worked out really well.
I came here because I graduate in May 6th actually, with my degree in psychology. So I came to get a job where I went to school. I'm an alumni of Dents Beach High School, Dents Beach Elementary, Stewart Middle School. Martin County School District was posting job postings within FAU's Career Center. And that was very helpful. I did that within FAU, and then they're like, oh, come to the one at Martin County High School. I was like, all right, I'll be there. So I registered. They sent me a few emails, and here I am. So I'm going to be an ESC teacher at Dents Beach High School.
As we celebrate when people get a job, everybody stops what they're doing, and we're yelling and screaming and yelling with the cowbell, and just really excited because people are getting hired today. It is a great event, and it just fills my cup. I love this kind of stuff because I know that we're finding great people for kids, and that's what I want. Yay! Another person hired.